Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gale Literature Resource Center to find scholarly sources for your literature research assignments. This database is especially useful for finding literary criticism, academic articles, and background information on authors and text. To get started, from the Bakersfield College homepage, we first need to go to Services and Resources, then scroll down and click Library, and then scroll down and click Research. Now, you're going to want to click Find all of our databases with A to Z databases. And from here, the quickest way to access it is to either search for literature in the course or topic subject. You can just hit this and hit filter, or you can click G, which will take you to the Gale databases, and click Gale Literature. Accidentally passed by it the first time. From here, this is what the main search screen will look like. As you can see, there are 3 fields that you can use, one specifically dedicated for terms or ideas, or perhaps topics, and the second one for the name of the work. So just a tip, if you are searching for the name of a work, make sure you add the title in quotation marks. So say we wanted to look up To Build a Fire, the Jack London story, I would select that one. Or if I wanted background information or just information on Jack London and any of his other works, I could search for him here. But just to show you how this will look to retrieve results, I'm just going to keep it simple and just search for the name of the work. And here, once your results load, you can filter and navigate all the different resources available to you. So the first results here are literary criticism. So literary criticism is going to give you scholarly analysis and interpretations of the text, and these are going to be especially useful for any type of research you might need to do on a work or an author. And just to show you what it'll look like, I will open one of these. So here is how it will look. We have the authors here, the data was published here, publishers. We have related articles and topics here. Similarly, related subject pages. And if you wanted to use any of this information and cite it, bear with me scrolling through here. The citations you can find at the bottom of the page, whether you want MLA, APA, Chicago, or Harvard. Just make sure to copy the citation like that for your works cited pages. And if you wanted to download the PDF, you would just hit the download button and it would download it for you. And I'm just going to go back to the results here. So I want to show you additionally that there are biographies you can check out, which can give you a lot of extra background information about the author or the works you may be needing to write about. Some of the works have their entire pages dedicated to them. So for example, if we go to topic and work overviews, we can see there's an overview of the story here, another one here, and a few more down there. And then additionally, if the materials you're looking for are luckily in the public domain, you may be able to access the materials themselves, the story itself, to build a fire. So that can save you perhaps some money if you do not have the book handy. So that is just yet another resource from the Gale Literature Resource Center. Additionally, you can specifically just look for a person search or a work search. So you can type in the person's name here. Again, I'm just going to do Jack London again, and it'll essentially give us the same results, but here we want to click the American writer, since that would be the Jack London we would need. And again, it will bring you to all of the results for Jack London, as opposed to the specific search for his story, To Build a Fire. And similarly, you can use the work search in pretty much the same way. You would just type the work. Again, just going to search for that. And here we go. We want the short story. And again, these are all the results specifically related to that work to build a fire. So Gale Literature Resource Center is a wonderful place to find scholarly sources and literary criticism for your research. If you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to me or any friendly BC librarian. We are here to help.